That's narcissism. It's an absence of ubuntu. It's an illness of ubuntu. This is why ngokwesintu uma sichaza umuntu fanele abe nobuntu, because umongo womuntu ukuba nobuntu. That's why abantu abadala bathi ukhuluma ngobani Phephelani lo wakwaZondi lowo akumuntu, because abantu abadala bakuthathile bakufaka esikalini bakuweya ukuthi ungumuntu na, bakuthola ukuthi chabo akanabo ubuntu lo muntu, so asikwazi kumbiza ngomuntu, sithi lo muntu akamuntu. So abantu who have narcissism abantu abangebantu.
So how do they get into relationships though? Because if we're talking on an intimate relationship level or a friendship level or whatever close relationship that you form, surely kukhona othima ubuke uthi kusengathi ngingaphileka noPhephelani. Bese uyasondela kuPhephelani. Ukuhangula umlilo. Ushe.
It's because angithi kunama traits kule personality disorder.
Okay.
Yeah. So one of them is looking biza ngokuthi the absence of ubuntu, the absence of lovelessness, which is a severe lack of empathy. So they do not have the capacity to empathize with you, not ukuthi abathandi ukuzwelana nawe. Cha, abanalo uzwelo